Welcome, dear children. My name is Jyoti Kokate. Today we will start with English grammar. Topic for the day is collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. What do you see in the picture? A ball and a table. These are names of things, so they are nouns. Here, look at these pictures. A boy and a doctor. These are names of different people, so they are also nouns. In this slide, tiger and cat are the names of animals and they are nouns too. Here is a picture of a park. So, park is a name of a place and it's a noun. So, students, what is a noun? A noun is a naming word. It names people, animals, things and places. So, today we will be learning the types of noun: collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Now, I will brief you about collective noun. What is a collective noun? When a noun stands for a collection of persons, animals or things considered as one whole unit, it is called a collective noun. Look at this example. In first picture, you can see a fish and in second picture, you can see a group of fish. So, we called a school of fish. The word school refers to the group of fish as one whole or one group. So, school is a collective noun. Children, have a look on this example. In the first picture, you can see a bee, but in other picture, you can see a group of bees. So, we called a swarm of bees. The word swarm refers to the group of bee as one whole or one group. So, swarm is a collective noun. Here is another example. A bouquet of flowers. Here, bouquet is a collective noun which refers to a group of flowers. I have one more example for you. A colony of ants. Here, colony is a collective noun which refers to a group of ants. Children, in this slide, you will see some groups of things also have their own special collective nouns. A bunch of bananas, a cluster of grapes, a bunch of flowers, a bouquet of flowers, a range of mountains, a fleet of ships, a fleet of vehicles, a deck of cards, a flight of steps, a suite of rooms, a suite of furniture, a set of tools, a string of beads, a group of trees. What is an abstract noun? When a noun denotes a name of something which we can neither see nor touch but only think of, is called an abstract noun. In the next slide, let's see the examples. Look at this example. Alex had a fear of failing his exams. Fear is an example for an abstract noun. You can see Alex, but you cannot see fear. So, it is an abstract noun. Next example. People lost faith in the banks. You can see people and banks, but you cannot see faith. So, it is an abstract noun. Children, I have one more example for you. Mom told us many stories about her happy childhood. Here you can see mom, but you cannot see happy. So, happy is an abstract noun in this sentence. What is a material noun? A noun which stands for matter or substance of which things are made is called a material noun. Now let's see the examples. This window is made of glass. In this sentence, glass is a material noun. Look at this example. John's shirt is made of cotton. Here, shirt is made of cotton, so cotton is a material noun. Look at this sentence. The table is made of wood. In this sentence, wood is used to make table, so wood is a material noun. Students, now you have to do this homework in your notebook. Question A. Fill in the blanks with the correct collective noun from the bracket. In the bracket, the words are pack, pride, school, swamp, colony. Question 1. A dash of lions. 2. An dash of ants. 3. A dash of bees. 4. A dash of fish. 5. A dash of cards. So, you have to choose the correct answer from the bracket and fill in the blanks. Question B. Read each sentence below and circle the abstract noun. 1. The girls were filled with joy. 2. Honesty is the best policy. 3. Babies have a lot of curiosity. 4. After lunch, James felt very full. 5. Victory shall be ours. In this exercise, you have to circle the abstract noun. Question C. Read each sentence below and underline the material noun. 1. Gold is an expensive metal. 2. The stone is very strong. 3. Wood is a very useful item. 4. Books are made of paper. 5. Bottle is made of glass. Children, in this exercise, you will underline the material noun. Children, in this slide, you have to classify the following nouns into collective, material and abstract. The words in the bracket: copper, a flock of birds, bravery, a band of musicians, glass, wood, a galaxy of stars, rubber, a batch of cakes, anger, milk, a colony of ants, honesty, wisdom, kindness. See children, you have to put the proper noun into the following columns. Thank you students for watching this video.